Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Well, the inevitable happened. This nigga sliding the intersection. What is going on?
Okay, nigga, it was this
back in my room. Yo, get out my Vegas! Well, the inevitable happened.
Boy, pulling up deep, boy.
It's time to G.O.
Can't sit on trying to be sad. Can't turn nothing be low. You can only just trade that cash. And I'm on the way to the million. Get out my way, pussy nigga, cause I got a million.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know about y'all, but one of my biggest pet peeves is being bored. But luckily, I found the solution to being bored. That solution is free cash. If y'all don't know what free cash is, it's basically a method you can play games on your phone and get paid for it. That's gotta be like literally the top 2 combos ever. Play games and get paid. If you hit the link in the description or scan the QR code that's on the screen, you can download the app and start winning money instantly. Not to mention it's completely free to sign up. All you need is an email and password. The whole sign up process literally takes seconds. Once you download the app, you'll see an array of offers and different games you can select from. Pick one that you like, you feel me, and start winning money. It's literally like turning your free time into a side hustle without even noticing. It's not gonna get you rich, of course, but you can make decent side cash to pay for things like gas. The whole point, you could be bored in class. Instead of just sitting there doom scrolling on TikTok, you could be playing games and earning money for free, literally. You click my link or scan the QR code, you get an extra $10 to start off with. Y'all boys go ahead and get right, man. It's time to run this money up 2026. Damn, these folks trying to crash, bro. Put my windows up. It's gonna get dark for a second, shawty, but it's okay. My check engine light just came on, damn. In love with the dogging, bro. In love with the dogging. Married to the dogging. Boy, oh boy.
She get too comfortable, have to tell her she is not my bitch. I took it so I'm right the Vic, then he fit on my switch. I lay up with you, but don't hit cause I got...
All right, time to lock back in, boys. What y'all doing? Cutting up. Bro, where the guys at, bro? They supposed to be up here dogging with me. There's somebody on my bumper. I can't tell. Oh shit, there go a cop right there, gang. I'm smoking. Wait, never mind, that's not a cop. Just another civilian with a dang Explorer, boy. I'ma eradicate all you Explorer civilians one day. Just not today. Look at Chris. Chris Pat, Chris dogging. Look at Don dogging. Boy. walking past the crew, you feel me? We do gotta chill a little bit, you feel me, on the street we on. I'm saying that while still dogging, like, Mike, get a grip. Amazing dog sesh. Amazing dog sesh.
That motherfucker so fucking hard, bro.
Appreciate that for sure. Speeding through intersections, bro. That's my one no-no. That's my one no-no zone with the dog. Fuck, I was not supposed to turn right here, damn. I def turned too fucking early, damn it. My luck, bro. Intersection. What is going on? Damn, that nigga just dogged that. Bro, it's too much going on, bro. This is a GTA lobby game. Alright, slow down now, because I don't know where the fuck I'm at. I see dark road. I do gotta catch back up to the guys, though. I ain't been in no chally in a minute, and a scat in a minute, nigga. All right, look, you see how much space you got? You got hella space. Put that bitch in sport, hold the traction button, and then it's in manual. You feel me? It's in first gear, right?
Yeah. Put it in second?
No, keep it in first. Then you gotta learn first. All right, nigga. You feel me? All you gotta do is slightly turn the wheel, not overly.
I know.
All right. There we go, Tyler, hold on. Hey, focus one direction. Focus one direction. No, don't switch directions. Focus one direction. Yeah. Nigga, that was smooth though. That was smooth. Come on. Wait. Where he going?
He nervous.
I don't know. He said he nervous. Short
I'm trying to start a cat, nigga. Hurry up.
Shut up, Don. I'm back in my fucking room.
Nigga, it was his
back in my room. Yo, get out my face. All right, come on, we lock in. That's enough. That's enough. You got this, bro. All right. Nigga, you got this. I want you to do that exact same shit. No. You good. I was doing the same shit when I first started, I ain't gonna lie. See, bro, you smooth, bro. You getting practice in, though. You getting used to the feeling.
All right, bro.
That's all that matter. That was better. That was much better.
That was the best slide.
All right, time to dog the cat, bro. We just dogged the scat, you feel me? Time to dog the cat. Great day to dog the cat, man.
Okay.
You trying to pop a pill. If I can't put you to